Hey all, welcome back to DS Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great, and today I am here with an unboxing video of Violet box for the month of July and August, and I got this box today, so let's just open and see what we have. This is how the box is. Let us just open and see. If you don't know what is Wallet Box is Wallet Box is a subscription box which is released once in 2 months, and it actually ships internationally all over 70 different countries. With every purchase of your Wallet Box, a period essentially is donated to one of the Indian girl or Indian girl child in need, and so this is the picture where they got. At the back of the picture you can also see all the comments left by those people who actually got these you know period essentials, thanking Wallet Box and thanking each one of us whoever has bought this box. So that's really a good cause and nice thing what Wallet Box is doing. The first thing I can see is these rose petals. So these are Innocent India rose petals, and these are 100% natural, and you can see it also gives clear instructions on how you can use them. You have to brew in tea and soups, and also you can add it while tempering Italian or Indian vegetables. So this is rich in vitamins, antioxidant minerals, calms you down, enhances skin. This actually should be used in teas and soups. I don't see the price of this one, but this is the first product. The next thing I can see is this Lady Madeline foot cleanser. This is of 125 ml. So this is retail at 349 rupees, and that you have to take warm water in a tub. You can add 2 tablespoons of foot soak in it. Soak your feet for 10 minutes and wipe the feet dry. So this is kind of foot soak. And next one I see is from the brand called La Blanc, and this is a wine face wash, and this is of 100 ml, and this is retailed at 499 rupees. So the key ingredients are grapefruit extract, aqua glycerin. Okay, so you can see the texture. So this is how the face wash is. And then I see this face scrub. This is the apricot face scrub from La Blanc, and this is 30 grams product. This is retailed at 499 rupees. So this is how the face scrub is. It is actually grainy, little grainy in consistency, because it has apricot in it. And the next thing I can see is from McAfee. This is a caffeine hair cream with vitamin C and aloe vera. Scoop hair cream from the jar and apply on damp hair, and you can style it as required and leave it on. So this is a leave-on cream, and this is paraben free and not tested on animals, and this is retailed at 399 rupees. This is how the texture is. This is a leave-on cream. And then we have a shower gel from McAfee. Again, this is a McAfee shower gel, paraben free product. This is actually with taurine and vitamin E infused in it, and this is retailed at 199 rupees. And you can see the color of the body wash. This is the blue in color. I see this perfume. So this is a perfume from Piotr Polano Krakow, and this is 30 ml, and this is retailed at 1500 rupees. So this smells like more not musky, but this is like too strong perfume. I actually don't like this much because I like floral and musky scents. The next product I can see is this nail polish. This is from EL21 Nail Enamel, and this is in shade 07. This is actually a grey color, and in the website they mention it's 190 rupees, but I see this is 90 rupees, so I'm not sure why they mention 190 rupees, because it's clearly stating here that it is 90 rupees. And I have these sachets from Vedic Line. These are Vedic Line hand and foot spa therapy. You have 7 steps, so we have all these sachets stepwise on how to use them. This is total together retailed at 300 rupees for all these sachets. So these are all the products I've got in this box, because I did pre-ordered this box last month, and I have got discount of 100 rupees overall on this box, and as well I've got this free gift. This is from Neemly, and this is a Neemly Naturals coffee and cocoa body wrap. This is retailed at 500 rupees, so this is a bonus product I've got. Also I've got this Khadi Herbal Moisture Pure Jasmine. This is a 15 ml. This is a sample size product, so I've got this as a extra sample size product. These are all the products I've received in this month's box, and the total cost around 4500 rupees. And so I've got an advantage of pre-booking, and also I think this is free included, and then the sample. So this is all the products what I've got in this month's box. For to overall, I did not like this month's box much compared to last box, because the last box, which was like May and June edition, it was so nice with all the organic products, and it was really worth the price. And this one, actually, I think this is a perfume which is very expensive in this box, and that I did not like it personally. But if you're someone who like this kind of perfumes, then it is a good deal for you people. But overall, the box is okay, but not really great compared to the earlier box, so I really like the earlier box better. If Violet Box actually can, change this perfume or give something else worth of that one, because perfume is like, very specific to every person, and not every person would like these perfumes of certain note of perfumes. So, I think they should have included a skincare product rather than that. That would have been a really good thing, or a makeup product. But that's okay. I mean, I pre-booked it, so I got these products, extra of 600 rupees. So all what I've got in this month's box. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe me if you're not my subscriber, and be a part of DS fam. And also there's a small bell button beside the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that button, and stay tuned for all the updates. And also there's a giveaway coming soon, so stay tuned. And thanks all for watching this video. Have a great day, take care, love you. And also don't forget to comment down below if you like any of these products, or if you're trying this box this month. Thank you so much. Bye bye.